As per my knowledge, sir, rice cooker has given to the Anganwadi Centre. But we all know that there is no electricity connection. So may I know from the Honourable Minister, what is the intention of the department?
So wherever rice cookers are being supplied and there is lack of power supply, we will look for alternative sources of energy, and that will be part of the review that will be done in a comprehensive manner in the month of October.
Dr. Kazi, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the Honourable Minister in charge to say whether the salaries of the Anganwadi workers are paid on regular basis and whether it is up to date.
So, in the past 3 months, wherever these salaries have been pending, they have been cleared in the early part of September.
Sir, one more question, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, most of the Anganwadi centers in West Gadarj district, especially Damdama and Salsala block, are in dilapidated condition. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge what steps he is planning to upgrade these centers?
So, as I indicated, we will take a comprehensive review of the conditions of all centers in the month of October, and wherever such facilities are found to be wanting, we will certainly turn up the same through the intervention of the department.
One last question, sir. What are the criteria for setting up of new Anganwadi centers? Thanks.
So, these criteria would include whether they qualify as per population norms. These criteria differ from rural to urban centers, and in the case of tribal or hilly areas, the population norm is that the number of households should range between 300 to 800 households for main Anganwadi centers and 150 to 300 households for mini Anganwadi centers.
Mr. Kapran, please. Livingstone Kapran. Yes,
Now my question is.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister in charge of social welfare how these 14 villages on the East Coast, 2 of them have been there, sir. This is number 8 and 9. They are very far from Shillong, far-flung villages and very small villages. And I want assurance from the Honourable Minister to please speed up the setting up of this main Anganwadi centers. Sir, please.
So, the number of uncovered villages is 1,500, and the number of applications received in East Khas Hills, the number of applications received for new main Anganwadi centers is 9, and for mini centers it is 27. All of these will be duly considered, and as I indicated, in the next 2 years we should be in a position to set up these centers.
okay. Mr. Rupa Marak, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister in charge, what is the education qualification required for the post of Anganwadi workers in the Anganwadi centers?
So for the Anganwadi workers, where the number of workers is 1 in the mini centers and 2 in the main centers. The qualification is that they should be at least have completed the 10th standard.